We're here today with the Dacosta Cup team captain and this is that Sports TV's man of the match, Malachi Douglas. First of all, congrats on the selection once more. Congrats on having a good game. Congrats on the win. How does it feel to be the All Manning versus Dacosta Cup champion?
I'm feeling very elated, to actually come up against the best in town, and to actually win. It's a very good feeling.
And before we even get into the interview, do you think that this means that the country schools are better than the town schools?
No comment.
Alright, so today's performance, you were absolutely immaculate in the midfield today, bossing the game from minute 1 to minute 90. Speak to us about your individual performance.
To be honest, I didn't think I played to my full potential because of my knee. I don't want to find any excuses, but in the first half, as you can see, the challenge, hurting my knee, so couldn't get to run as I would want to, but thank God we came out with the victory and I didn't do so bad.
Yeah, you still managed to control the game, you still managed to create opportunities, and you got yourself an early goal. How did it feel when you scored that goal?
I'm a relief, man, because I actually got one before that, and the keeper saved it, so I was very relieved to score that goal.
Alright, so we know that the schoolboy season is done. This was just an exhibition match. The result, ultimately, insignificant. We know you're playing the Premier League, but what can we expect from Malachi Douglas going forward in his career?
Well, as you know, I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna keep on playing the Premier League and see what comes from there.
Alright, once again, good season and congrats.
Thank you very much.
Alright.